a tree house.
Sure is.
Where from sleep. It's not Farmer Brown. Oh yeah, Uncle Bill. Where Uncle Bill sleeps inside his house.
Oh no, he has a different house. He doesn't live out here. He just comes out here and works.
And his farm.
On his farm, that's right.
Where's his house? What if he could take care of the animals that live on his farm? But what if he brushed the horse's hair?
I bet he does sometimes.
Yeah. Hey, let's go look at the garden.
Good job, girls.
We need to take a break.
Is it hard work out here?
Thank you, Uncle Bill. Now we got some fresh watermelons from Uncle Bill's garden. Are those fresh?
They are so fresh. They just came off the vine.
They just came off the vine, so that means they're fresh and almost ready to eat, but not quite yet. That was hard work. Yeah. We take care of Uncle Bill's pets and Uncle Bill's garden, right?
Right.
He told us to take care of everything.
Yeah, I think we did a good job.
Me too. I hope Uncle Bill will be happy.
I think he will.
Because he always be happy at us because we do a great job on his garden and his pets.
That's right.
And his farm, too. And the watermelon. That water was hard. Oh, but Uncle Bill needs the helper.
Yeah.
Well, he needs to be out for the day because he's sweating hot. Yeah, we are helping him for this day. We're helping him for this farm. We're helping him for his garden and farm, right? Because he's gone.
Right. He's out of town, so we're helping him today.
Yeah. Do we need to do some more? Get help when they're gone.
Yeah.
So we help